Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Prius number plate light. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic trim removal tool to prevent scratches. Also, make sure you have the correct replacement bulb, typically a 168 or 194 type LED. Working in a well-lit area will make the process much easier and safer for you. Now, let's access the light housing. Look for the two small screws that secure the clear plastic cover over your license plate light. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pry the light housing cover away from the vehicle. It should come off with minimal effort, revealing the bulb inside. With the housing open, it's time to replace the bulb. Gently twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to unlock it from the housing. Once unlocked, pull the old bulb straight out. Be careful, as it might be hot if it was recently on. Now, firmly insert your new 168 or 194 LED bulb into the socket, ensuring it's seated correctly. Finally, let's reassemble and test. Twist the bulb socket clockwise to lock it back into the light housing. Carefully align the clear plastic cover and reinsert the two screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently. Before you finish, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new number plate light is working correctly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.